everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is my very first video about junk journaling. I'm going to do 2 journals. One's going to be my travels that we've done in our business since I started Buckeye Girls Reason Things. And the other one's going to be like a portfolio for some of my products. And I'll show you what I found. If you know anything about our business, our colors are pink and turquoise. And I found this at Hobby Lobby, this paper palette, and it's perfect. Matches the rustic pink and turquoise that our business is known for. The rustic, since my husband does rustic woodworking and we do a lot of primitives and rustic designs and farmhouse, I thought this was perfect for our 2 portfolio junk journals. But I'm going to do my very first project, which is going to be a pocket that goes in the front of my junk journal that I will probably have business cards in. And this was in that palette. It says, here's what it is. It says, do what makes your soul happy. Since I started this business after being very ill and almost dying, I started this business because I wanted to get back to my passion, which was floral design. I worked in a corporate world for a very long time, and I wanted to do what made me happy. Okay, so I'm going to put this here. I'm going to center this on the front of an envelope. I have 2 envelopes. The 2 envelopes will be my pockets. And I am going to make this, of course, rustic. This is just distressing liquid ink. And I'm going to distress it, my envelope, a little bit. And you know, I don't want to make it perfect, because you know, distressing ain't perfect. So you want a little dark and a little light, and you know, if somebody's spilling stuff on your page, it ain't gonna spill perfect. I'm gonna do the other side too. And I'm gonna make sure I get it right here. I'm gonna make sure I emphasize the envelope shape. I'm just using a Dollar Tree sponge brush. That's what I'm using for my since this is my very first junk journal video, thought I'd start with something easy. Since I haven't done this, I used a scrapbook in 2008, and I haven't really done much. Well, I haven't really done any since I had a friend, Patty, who had a scrapbook store. I used to go scrapbook with her at her store. Ooh, I like how that's making that look old. I also like how I didn't really get it really straight. I'm going to add some glue here. And I will glue this. Right there. Be like that. And then I got all these colors of inks. But I'm going to try to stick in the palette of my business colors. And I have these two little stamps. One's a flower. With me being a floral designer, that's perfect. And this one here says, Flowers in Bloom. And you know, if it wasn't for flowers, there wouldn't be my business. So I thought I'd use the two different colors of pink and add these just here and there. Then I'm going back with the other color pink and add the Flowers in Bloom. But I'm going to make sure that I don't have it upside down. Wouldn't that be a hoot? Then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I even like the flowers up on this little thing a little bit. Okay, that is our first pocket of our junk journal. Here it is. Simply Distressed, and add some stamps and the sign, do what makes your soul happy. And then stamps in the inside and distressing. And it's 2 envelopes, and I'll have my business cards in this on the inside of my junk journal. Thank you for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell when I come live. And I'm going to be doing a few more junk journal videos.